going to be installing a transmission in this truck by myself with no transmission jack. This is the 4L60E transmission, fully rebuilt. I just put a new torque converter on it, and it's got a new fluid pump. And I'll be installing it with a floor jack. Alright, I've got it as balanced as well as I can on that jack, and I'm actually going to strap it on and then try to slide it under the truck. I already had to improvise because the jack made the transmission too tall to be able to fit under the truck, and I can't really jack it up any higher, so I'm going to take it back off the jack for Alright, got it up on the jack again, so I'm going to try to get it aligned in there. We're getting her. Okay, there are two locator pins on either side of this transmission, and I've got it up here pretty good against the engine, and you can see I got that locator pin started. That one on top right there is the locator pin. Whenever that went on, I started a bolt right there so it wouldn't back up. And the same thing on that side. And the gap down here is a little bit bigger than the top, so I'm going to very slowly lower it, and we'll watch the gap close up. Now the gap is more or less even all the way around, so it needs to push straight in. Alrighty, you can see I pretty well closed the gap all the way around on each side. So I also got this bottom bolt started, so I'm gonna put all the other bell housing bolts on, and that will fasten the transmission bell housing to the engine block. And then we're going to attach this torque converter to the flywheel and low ball. Alright, I got all the bell housing bolts tightened down. Time to do the 3 torque converter bolts. You can look in here, and I lined up where the torque converter bolts on. Can't see very well, but I did the best I could to line up the torque converter for the first flywheel bolt, and then after that we'll just turn it just like we took it off. And I got it in. There are 3 of those torque converter bolts. All 3 of those are in tight. So before I put the rest of the truck back together, it'll need a little bit of transfer case work, but that's how I was able to get that transmission up in there by myself without a transmission jack.